Yeah, around me. See, he was licking his lips like, It's like, everybody's watching me. What's going on here?
Smash it.
Am I allowed to do this? But you didn't pick it up and throw it.
No, that ain't me.
I just don't want it to go on the floor.
He gets to do what he wants.
I know. I
to
just
do.
don't want it to go on the floor.
Kind of fun. Huh. Why is everybody in a circle around me?
I'm waiting to put it in his mouth.
Put a feet. Yeah.
Oh!
Put it in his mouth, Darcy. So he knows what it is.
You can eat it.
You lost that bite.
One of his hands.
So I gotta get that in the mouth.
Because I don't think he realized it was something to eat. I think he thought it was a toy.